Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we are going to have a little post review of the mini canvas that I did from Painting with Dots. But first, I've got a little bit of footage to show the process of me completing it. I was going to time lapse the whole thing, but I had some issues with recording, so yeah, it's not the complete canvas, but hopefully you can see how trouble-free the process was. And so here we have the finished canvas. Ta-da! So it is super sparkly. Really pleased with the quality of the drills. I really liked the colour choices, which sort of surprised me because they were more muted than you might expect from a gaming themed canvas. But I really like it. Also, my son's favourite colour is green, so it's going to be perfect. I have finished it off with a little bit of green pixel style washi around the edge, kind of an ode to the fact that he loves Minecraft. And yeah, that is ready to be displayed on his wall. It was super fun to do, nice and quick. I didn't do it in one evening, but I probably could have done. And yeah, I've not needed to seal it. The canvas is still nice and flexible, as you can see, nothing's pinging off. Incredibly good quality, wonderful customer service, wonderful, wonderful company. And hashtag not sponsored, but I really love them. Let's just look at what we have left. There was definitely no danger of running out of anything. Plenty of green. I worked out of the Harbour Freight containers just for ease. I probably could have got away with not using containers at all, but I am a creature of habit. There's no colour that we were running out of. There was no trash to speak of. As I said, really pleased. The mini canvases are still available on their website. I will pop a link in the description if you want to go and grab one for yourself. There are so many designs. And they're also a very approachable company. So if there's something that you're looking for, do get in touch with them. I'm sure that they will be more than happy to help you. So that is all from me for now. Short and sweet post review. As always, if you enjoy my content, it really helps the channel and me if you would leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.